Today, we give you 5 small photography tips that produce huge results.
And don't forget the bonus. Small tip number 1, get closer. This one is super simple. Have you ever taken those pictures where you've maybe got an incredible background and your subject looks like they're about this big? That's because you need to move closer. By moving closer to your subject, the subject gets bigger and now they're the focus of the picture. It will improve your picture by 1,000%.
Small tip number 2, change your perspective. You know, I see so many photographers that take every picture right here at this height. Well, guess what? By going down on your knees and taking the picture, you have changed your perspective. Standing up, taking the photo, that changes your perspective again by raising that camera up over your head. You have now changed your perspective.
Small tip number 3. Watch your backgrounds. Now we always hear everybody saying, watch out for those antler effects, antlers coming out of the ears because maybe you got a tree in the background, but it's really more about where you place your subject according to the background.
Small tip number 4, horizon lines. Hey, I'm not talking about where to place that horizon as far as where it is on your subject. I'm talking about crooked horizons. Have you ever seen that photo where someone's standing by the beach and it looks like maybe the ocean's gonna spill out because the horizon's at an angle? Listen, it's not hard to get a straight horizon. If not, at least fix it in post.
We've come to that time for small tip number 5. Use flash. Now we've been telling you that for a long time and every photographer knows to use flash, but a lot of us don't do it because we're the first people to tell you we love natural light. And you can get amazing pictures with natural light, but by adding flash, you add color, contrast, and sharpness.
Are you ready for small tip number 6? Noodles! The bonus tip is this. Where do I place my flash? Well, guess what? It's really simple. If you're photographing a subject and the sun is over this side of their shoulder, place the light on the same side. That way it looks like the sun is wrapping around your subject. It looks very natural. You guys are still here? Why are you not out practicing what we just taught you?